Hello viewers, Namaste, Swagatam and welcome to the YouTube channel Vehicle Mania. Today I am going to show you the launch date and specifications of Audi Q2 in India. Hope you will enjoy this. So let's move on to the video. The Audi Q2 is expected to launch by the end of September 2020. Now let's check the specifications of this baby luxury SUV. At first glance, the updated Q2 looks familiar as the basic silhouette remains unchanged. However, zoom in a bit and you will notice the revised slatted grille finished in black. You also get matrix LED headlamps with funky DRLs, while the aggressive air dams in the redesigned bumper look sporty. In profile, changes are limited to new alloy wheels, while the rear sees the addition of redesigned tail lamps with dynamic turn signals and a new bumper. You also get 5 new exterior color choices: apple green, Manhattan grey, Navara blue, Aero grey and turbo blue. Changes are even more minuscule on the inside, with the only noticeable updates being the redesigned gear level and AC vents. Apart from that, the basic dashboard design is similar to the pre-facelift Q2. In terms of features, the Q2 comes with Audi's MMI infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control, a Bang & Olufsen sound system and connected car technology. You also get a host of driver assistance systems such as lane departure warning, park assist and Audi's pre-sense safety system. Powering the Euro specification Q2 is a new 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine that develops 150 PS of power and 250 Nm of torque. It features cylinder deactivation technology for added fuel efficiency. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed dual clutch automatic. The India specification model is likely to feature a larger 190 PS 2.0-litre turbo petrol engine coupled to a 7-speed dual clutch automatic. The pre-facelift of Q2 still looks funky and could turn heads, especially with its flashy color options and traditional Audi design elements such as a large single frame grille and flashy LED lighting will be present here too. All of Audi's new models have a very touchscreen intensive cabin, and while they look cool, it needs some getting used to on the move. There won't be any such problems here as the Q2's interior follows Audi's older design. The infotainment system can be controlled using a swivel wheel and you get physical air condition controls as well. And if you are a fan of Audi's virtual cockpit, that's present as well. The Q2 is expected to be equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate control, cruise control, park assist, digital instrument display, ambient lighting as well as a multi-functioning steering wheel. Safety will be covered by multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program and parking sensors. The engine norm compliances of BS6 and the engine displacement is 1395 cc and the fuel type is petrol. The estimated price is Rs 35 lakhs. While coming to the rivals of Audi Q2, the Audi Q2 does not have any direct rivals and its closest competitors include the Mercedes-Benz GLA, BMW X1 and Volvo XC40. So, hope you liked the video. If you liked, please give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new videos notifications. Till then, bye bye.